Now I took chicken breasts and I sliced them in half to make smaller chicken breasts, and then I sliced one of the halves in half. That way the kids can have smaller ones. That's a small one you see there. So here I am just flouring them, making sure that I'm getting in all the nooks and crannies, and also dredging off any excess flour. He always still in the field and a bite. Back to this. This is his piece of chicken. It's huge. Here we go, right into the fryer. Now, we only had a little bit of oil, so I had to use what we had. Once again, it was snow on the ground, and I wasn't going up there. Now, here we are making the rice. You already know who that is. That's Chef K-Boo right there. Making sure she getting every grain. That's right, girl. All right, back over here, flipping that thing. Let's see how it looks. Let's see how it looks. Make sure you're cooking this chicken one piece at a time. Now, we back to this rice. You gotta make sure that you are adding the water to the fill line with this rice cooker, which I thought was pretty cool. She adding that top, turning that thing on. All right, check that chicken again, don't forget. Ding, 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 it's done, yes. All done on the plate. I forgot my little paper towel underneath, but I fixed it later. Onto the sauce. We got that red hot, because we put that issue on everything. And then, I added some fresh rosemary to it because I was trying to feel a little fancy. Wanted the flavors to be flavoring and percolating in there. And as a Baltimore girl, you already know I had to put that Old Bay up in that thing. A little sprinkle or whatever. Honey to make it sweet. Honey to make it sweet, yes. That look about like 2 tablespoons. Yeah, that's about right. Now, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic. Mixy. Yep, that look like it's good. Taste test. Hold on. Let's see. What is it giving? Is it giving? What she say? It gave. Okay, all right. Now.
This magic moment.
That looks so good.
So
put it in my belly.
So new was like any other.
I ain't gonna lie to y'all, the most annoying thing for me is buying lettuce from the store and not having enough space in my stomach to eat it all at once before I put it in there the first day, and then it's all wilted the next time I go to make a sandwich. Well, I bought these little containers, and I swear it's the best purchase I ever made. I'll put it in my Amazon storefront. Make sure y'all go check that out. I'm not a big sweet person, so adding the ketchup was overkill for me. So I definitely don't recommend adding ketchup if you don't like sweets or if you don't like ketchup. And that would be it. They look beautiful. Can't wait to eat them. To see what the children thought, head over to our YouTube channel. Faster and faster? 100. 100? We did the 1 out of 10 and it was 100. Yeah, boy.
Why do I have a bigger bun than KK?
Bigger thing. Dark cake? 1 out of 10?
No, 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Ooh, yes.
But I have to do like this.
Okay, you don't have to eat.